What's fucking going on, mine?
Strapped up like a fucking mate.
Vlogging out there.
Fucking strapped up.
Fucking bicking back. About to fucking catch
Guns,
this.
water, buoy, water.
There you go.
Definitely.
Yeah, oh, you fixed your flag too? Yeah, no, fucking ready.
Just sharpen the tip.
Oh, I was about to say this fucker look fresh on the tip.
Look at this fucker, look like Excalibur, dog. The omer. Look how sharp the omer, dog.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
no, it's
Oh,
all
dog, bleed. What this? Oh, calling me weak. Bro, one hand man can.
Shut up. Straight up, bro.
Oh yeah, dog.
You can't even shoot.
Yeah, I don't even know why.
The fucker was bent like this. Put the loop inside here. Put this inside the loop, the circle.
Oh, loop.
You got a wrench, and you can bend them with the wrench. Put it right on the bend.
Straighter than my shaft, that's for sure. At least I got somebody laughing at you. Nah, this be hitting all the spots you don't even know it's there.
Crazy angles.
Out here. Oh no, that is something. It's a bad day to be a fish today, dog. Bad day to be a fish today. You're about to get murdered.
Hey.
Tell them. Bad day. Let them know. Bad day for me on Kagami. I better get something. Let's get it. Oh, Robin Steve. Stubber. Catch. Fucking Redz. Yee. Fucking Rob, get curfew now. Oh man.
Only because I turned order 6:30 yesterday. I gave her curfew.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, don't be talking.
I'm not used to this. I'm not used to that, Rob, right now. My chick will be mad. I'm not used to that, Rob, dog. That's funny.
That's my dog, show. That's my dog. Bro, I dropped knee on top of that fuck. I can ask fucking bro.